Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm showing you really quickly how to deposit into PoolTogether using Jumper. The first thing we do is visit Jumper.Exchange, and then we connect our browser wallet. Yeah, so here we can exchange any token from any chain into PoolTogether prize tokens. So let's go ahead and choose the origin of your funds. For this example, we'll be using USDC on Polygon. So I just looked that up and click USDC here. I'm using my max amount, and I only have 99 USD, so yeah, I am broke, sue me. And the new PoolTogether version is currently only on Optimism. So yeah, let's go ahead and choose that as the destination chain, and then choose any of the prize tokens. I want to get some prize USD, so I just search it up. And now here you can see what you will be giving and what you will receive. Now you just need to enter an amount. After inputting your amount, you can view the different paths available, but I just stick to the recommended path here on top. Now here we can see an estimate for gas and the exchange rate. After you review it, we are going to click the Start Bridging button and then approve Jumper for token allowance and execute the transaction. So let me go ahead and do that. This might take a couple of minutes, but don't you worry, there is a timer here, so you have an estimated time until the transaction is completed. But yes, that was easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now you're officially in the pool and a run to win exciting prizes, which will arrive directly to your wallet, like no claiming necessary. Isn't that cool? I also forgot to mention that with Jumper, you can also deposit into PoolTogether using fiat. You just click the buy button up top and then choose one of the allowed payment options. Okay, so now that you've got yourself some prize USDC, you can now use Cabana.fi or Pooltime.app to check on your deposit. So what you want to do is visit any of these and just click Connect Wallet. Now, after connecting, you will see here that the 99 USDC from Jumper is now here shown as tickets in the pool. Now with Cabana.fi, it's the same way. Just connect your wallet. And now if you go up here and you click account, you can see your dashboard where it shows you your chances of winning and then your balance as well. Now, my BBs, that's the end of this tutorial, and I hope it was helpful to you and your friends. If you're still having any issues, feel free to join our Discord community and make sure to comment, give us a like, and subscribe for more.